and give her a yeet. See if she'll get out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, easy, dude. Well, you know, I'd kind of forgotten about this, but turns out it didn't get any better, boys.
Yeah, not at all.
So, what's the plan today?
Well, we're going to kind of see where we're at right now. So, I mean, we got to get the little bit of wiring off of the bulkhead that is left on there, and then we can maybe get
some preliminary cuts going.
some preliminary cuts. Yeah, we're going to cut the bulkhead right at this this glass right here. There's a separation, so we're going to not have to do the top. The top's still good. And after that, we're going to...
Hang on a second. All right. We got an angry Stevie. Look at him over there. Brutal.
Oh my.
Yeah, anyway, so we're doing some fiberglass cutting today. So I'm going to try and get this bulkhead cut out. That side over there was the super soft side. We're probably going to start there, start cutting out pieces, parts over there, seeing where the rot ends. It's probably going to be pretty deep in there. And then if that all goes good, maybe, I don't know, what do you think? Start cutting over in this area, start taking stuff off the transom, or?
Yeah, cut this area, possibly even cut the top of the stringers off, see what's going on down in there.
Make sure it's not all the way rotted out in there.
Yeah, and then, yeah, maybe start on the transom, and that'd be a pretty good work for the night, I think.
Yeah. I'm probably going to work on the interior. I want to see where this all ends, get all this junk up and out of the way. And see how bad these stringers are. They're pretty bad. You guys probably saw that last time we did some filming with this, but
yeah,
they got a lot of play in them. So
at least in the back section for sure.
Yeah,
where all that water was sitting down in there. Yeah.
All right, well, let's get to cutting.
Let's do it.
All right, got a mask on. A lot of dust doing some sweeping in here. We're just going to be creating more dust. I don't know why we did that, kind of just to give us a clear idea of where we need to cut. So we're going to start cutting some of this fiberglass out on the floor and just see how bad it is. So we're going to use a oscillating tool. We got some new bits for it. We'll see how they do. Interested to see what's under this floor.
Heck yeah.
Probably not going to be great, but oh well. All right, so we're making some progress here. We can kind of see what's underneath the fiberglass and wood. So that's the outside of the boat, right? Right here?
Yeah. Yep.
The bottom.
Right there.
So we got to be careful and not go through that. That'd be a super bad deal. So we're trying to kind of cut close to this seam where it comes up on the wall and get this piece out of here and see what is underneath. We've got to go through, I think, find some more screws that are holding this middle piece down.
Yep.
So we can get that ripped out and then repeat the same thing on that side. But it's a pretty nasty project, honestly. Pretty bad.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not even to the hard part yet. This is the easy fiberglass to take out.
What's the hard part?
I mean, the back transom is not going to be fun.
Yeah.
And stringers won't be too bad. We'll just cut the tops off, see where we're at. I mean, well, they could be bad, but I don't know. The floor is normally the easiest part to do.
Well, we got to start out easy. Got to get our feet wet, you know?
Right.
Don't want to lose all our motivation just now. So we'll keep plugging away at it, but interesting to see how this looks underneath here. I don't know up here. I mean, it would make sense that this area up here is a little bit drier than all the stuff back here, so.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, Ricky and I are working on the floor up here. Scott's back here taking apart the rest of the stuff that was on the transom.
Yeah, it's just coming along pretty nice. Getting there, that's for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna have to, once all this stuff's out, we'll have to pull the drive.
Yep.
And then we can cut it out.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
All right, we got John Mania. He just cut out some fiberglass. Gonna see if he can rip this piece up. Do you smell that gas? Did you get a whiff?
Yeah.
I'm talking gasoline.
Alley-oop in the gasoline.
Oh yeah, nice work.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We don't like that though. We don't want that.
Oh, it's just dust in the cabin.
Oh man.
Come on, man.
Come on.
That was a good cut.
Yeah.
That's a clean piece.
Back over there coming up will be good.
Right.
Oh, shit.
Maybe grab on that side a little bit.
Which side?
That side.
All right, let me in there. Oh, there's nails. Oh, oh. Brutal.
Wait, let me get this bottom here.
Are you sure you cut all the way there?
Dude.
Dude.
Sure. Yeah, there we go.
Well,
Yeah, there we go.
oh, my knee. Oh.
My bad.
There we go, boys.
Wow.
We dumped it right there.
Yeah. Up right where you're at, Rick.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Cool.
Brutal.
A little bit.
Look at how clean this wood is. That's good wood right there.
Yep.
That's
Shockingly.
Open over.
Sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sweet.
Nice. Here's the gas tank. I think we're going to end up pulling the gas tank just to make sure there's no cracks, leaks, anything like that. We're this far into the game. There's no point in risking it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
total restoration at this point.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
All right. Stevie's calling. I wonder if he's bringing us pizza. I'm going to check.
Dude.
Hey, good as used.
Yeah. Looking good, brother. You still got a little bit of fiberglass in there, brother. There we go.
Turns out a little bit of fiberglass actually really strong.
Yeah.
And a lot of fiberglass, super really strong. But a lot of rotten wood, not strong.
Not strong at all. So initially, these pieces of wood right here for reinforcement looked pretty decent, but upon further inspection, this one was cracked. Ricky did the honor of pulling her all the way out. Realized there's some screws on a 45 in on each side. But yeah, so we're gonna have to replace those too, I guess.
Yeah, it's just junk, no surprise.
Yep.
No, what this stuff back here is looks like some sort of foam or whatever, but
Yeah, so
pretty
there was
weird.
wood all the way along everywhere else, but then on this edge right here, there's foam along the bottom, which is kind of weird because it differs from the rest of it. But you'll be able to get a better image of that when we get it vacuumed out a little bit. How's it going back here, Scotty?
Not too bad. Getting some trim lines disconnected.
Very nice.
Last of the transom cleaned up.
Sweet. It's looking like we're going to be able to get the drive off here pretty shortly and then get the steering and transom assembly taken off.
Yeah, sure.
Looking real good, dude. Keep up the good work.
Well
Well, the pizza has been secured. My ma came through. That was pretty clutch. Thanks, Ma. Now, starting to get a little late here. Sun's going down. That means we need to put her in gear. Get a couple more things done before the end of the day.
Put her in turbo.
Oh, yeah.
Spool it up.
Gotta get her spooling. So, Scott got the trim pump disconnected, so that means we're gonna get the drive off since she's gonna be staying down now. She's got no pressure to keep her up. What that entails is have to take the trim cylinders off right here, take the shaft out. After that's done, well, I mean, you can do it before or after, but there's a speedometer back there that you have to have the drive lifted up, so I'll probably lift that up so Scott can sneak that guy out. Then there are, well, you have to make sure that she's in neutral for Bravo 1. So once it's in neutral, then you can take these 3 bolts off on this, or nuts off on that side, these 3 nuts off on this side, pop her out a little bit, and then there's going to be a shift cable that comes out right around here. You need to pop it up, and the shift cable will come back, and then you can pull her all the way out. Pretty simple, not too difficult. It's pretty standard procedure here. We have to take them on and off quite a bit, but Scott's gonna get that going. Ricky and I are gonna keep going on the floor, making some pretty decent progress up there, getting her swept out a little bit. Got a lot more sweeping to do, and then we're gonna get that side cut out, but making some good progress. This stuff takes a long time. I mean, it's not as quick as we would hope for it to go, but
I mean, we're a couple hours in. I mean, pretty good progress, I feel, for a couple hours. So not the biggest deal. I mean, I'd be happy if we can get this other floor piece cut out and then like the bulkhead cut out tonight. I think that'd be pretty successful. Scott will have the drive off, so then, I mean, then we can focus our attention back here and start cutting out the floor and figure out what we need to do about the transom and the stringer stuff. So, yeah.
Cool. Well, let's get to work, boys, and get her done.
Okay, we got the interior, all the boards are out. I'm just gonna do some cleanup here, and John's working on the bulkhead, so let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
So John did some serious cutting with the oscillating tool, with Sawzall, pretty much with everything. I said, go ahead and give her a yeet.
See if she'll get out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, easy, dude. Super easy. Super easy.
Nice. Hey, no big deal.
Yeah, no big deal at all. Still got a little more to do down there.
Oh, wow. Stringers brutal. Oh, no. Yuck. Big yuck.
Big yuck.
Ugh. Yeah. Super nasty. Jeez, oh man.
That's some good stuff right there.
Not surprising, but still sad nonetheless.
Oh yeah. Out with the old and with
Yeah. Keep chugging.
John decided he's going to cut some of the floor out.
Yep. Come on, man. Got under this nastiness.
Yeah, she's pretty hollow.
Yeah.
It sounds hollow, at least. It's looking hollow.
Let's just cut a little view window for us.
Oh, yep. That's our boy, Mr. Tedwood.
Ooh.
First name Ra.
Wow, that's some good wood right there. Man, stringer is encapsulated all the way down to the floor. That's good.
What do you mean?
Well, they didn't just stop right here, button up against it. Like it's fiberglassed all the way down to the floor.
Yeah, so it's Big Dog. What is that? 8 inch?
I'd say probably 10 inch on this side, maybe 11 inch on this side. Wow. Where Scott took that bilge pump base out, though, very, very wet in the floor. That's not good. I'm going to have to do some investigating there once we get this all cleaned out. But pretty much as we expected underneath there.
Yeah.
At least pretty solid underneath there. That's a good sign.
Solid glass.
Yeah.
At least got a shell.
Right. Yeah. We just want that shell to be solid all the way around. I mean, we don't really want to deal with outside boat stuff. Oh, geez. Long night. I'm ready for a shower.
Yeah, same.
Definitely.
Interior is pretty much stripped down to where we need it. We still need to pull the gas tank out. We'll probably do that in the next video. In the engine compartment, we still got a lot more to do as far as cutting stuff out, but good progress tonight in a matter of a few hours. So I'm excited to start getting it back together, though. That's where the real challenges are going to come in, I feel. So we've got a rough idea on what we're going to use for materials, but not 100% set in stone yet. We'll figure it out, though. So again, appreciate your guys' support in this matter. See you in a couple days.
Rich rules, baby.
Rich rules, baby.